number 137/6 AR. Like, subscribe. Have a great day. Goodbye. Now we're going to do the Uzi, or the AK-47, which is right here. This one is really nice. This is item number 137/6 AR-137. Okay, die cast. This is all die cast here. 12 shots. I mean, this is a beautiful gun. I have one of these out. Trying to remember where it put it. Somebody put it somewhere. I have the short butt one right here. See, this is the same gun, but without the butt here. Okay, look at that. Because see, they offered it. You know, your bad guys would have it without the stock. They were going okay, but this is really cool right here. How they've made this and everything is very high quality. This is all steel. This is all steel here. Now this is plastic right here, but this is all steel. That's plastic. Okay, but look at that, how that pops up. See that lever there? That takes a lot of quality construction there. I wonder where my other one is. Because I have the butt, the one with the butt. But this is another gun. Somebody must have put it somewhere. Things are always misplaced around here. But this is the Uzi or AK-47 at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Remember to hit the like, subscribe, notification button, and always get your toys here at ProTinkerToys.com. Remember to like, subscribe. Have a great day. Goodbye.